Hello, this is a backend engineer in GitLab. Today, I would like to introduce you about this key feature. Allow parent project developers to create pipelines for merge requests for fork merge requests, which will be released in 30.3, GitLab 30.3. It's a bit confusing as it looks at the issue title. Then taking a look at the problem to solve that. As an open source project maintainer, I want to be able to allow a specific fork merge request to create a pipeline in the parent project. For security reasons, I don't want to allow all fork merge requests as I have secrets that I want to protect. I want to be able to review the changes, check if they don't try to leak the secrets, and only then allow it to run in the parent project. It's a bit confusing, but the point is that we today parent project maintainers can run pipelines for fork merge requests. In the past, it was impossible. Fork merge requests can only create in fork project side. So there was a problem that the pipeline in fork project is not completely cannot completely be trusted because fork project members, external contributors, can change CI resources that are used in fork projects. For example, CI runners, project level variables, etc. They can change it. So the results of the pipeline could be changed, could be different from parent pipelines. So with this feature, you can create a pipeline in parent side, even if it's fork merge request. So you can verify it more accurately. So let's get started to demo. Now I'm opening two windows. The left side is me as my account. In the right panel, I'm logging in as a dummy user. Let's say this is a fork contributor. And then we are seeing that this fork contributor has already forked the open source project. This is GitLab open source project. Then he's trying to contribute to upstream project in this demo. So let's try to open Web IDE. And then now we are changing, we are making a trivial change as an external contributor. Open services, CRE. Yeah. So there is a small bug in this regular expression. So external contributor fixes it, and it commits, and it create a new merge request. Start new merge request. Oops, something went wrong. Well. Okay. No way back. And now this project targets, this fork project targets to the upstream project. So let's keep creating, let's continue creating this merge request. Okay, now the merge request is correctly created. And let's see this merge request in my account. And Um, as I can see, as I see this warning, this merge request is obviously a fork merge request, which is submitted by a fork external contributor. And then I can review these changes. I can see the pipeline is running, and then look at this pipeline. Opening up this pipeline page. Sorry. As you can see, this pipeline is created under external contributors namespace, which means this pipeline isn't running in upstream project, but this fork project. This is fine as long as you trust the fork project CI resources. But today you can create a pipeline in parents project. So let's try it. You create a run pipeline button. Yeah, sure. When you want to run this pipeline, these are security implications. As I reviewed this merge request, it doesn't have a malicious code, so I can keep going. Okay, now I created the pipeline for merge request as a behalf of this external contributor. And you can check the pipeline detail page that this pipeline is certainly created under GitLab org namespace, groups namespace. And as you can see the difference, there are more jobs in upstream projects because sometimes parent project provides review apps so that, let's see. Okay. The review apps only available in canonical project. You can not, which is not available in a fork project, right? So as a project member, I can test this fork merge request in review apps, etc. This is very this is very nice to that verify their merge requests more accurately. And I think this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please see this documentation page. Here's the section talking about this feature, including security implications. And also, to use this feature, you have to configure pipelines for merge requests at first. This is a bit special pipeline that specifically designed for merge requests. And it's a bit, you need a bit of a configuration, but it's very easy. You can just follow this document. So if you used to keep using legacy branch pipelines, it's worth considering to switch to pipelines for merge requests. It unleashes some subsequent features such as merge trains, which is documented here, etc. So you get more advanced. You can use more advanced feature with pipelines for merge requests, like this feature we just demoed. One point is to add is that with this capability, parent project members, fork merge requests can be added to merge train as well. Previously, merge trains was not be able to be enabled in open source project because of these reasons. Like external contributors, the merge request cannot be added to merge train, so it was a deal breaker to enable merge trains. But this is not an issue today. you can enable merge trains even if your open source project receives a lot of external merge requests, fork merge requests. So pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.